Hello everyone, it's Staz. Welcome on Hamster's Diary channel, and in this issue, we will show you how to buy sneakers in STEPN application, how to buy Solana for your wallet. Solana is a cryptocurrency for which you can buy the sneakers. The fact is that the whole application is built on the Solana blockchain, and all in-game or in-application purchases you can only make in exchange for this cryptocurrency. So, when we enter the application, the first thing we need to do is to create a wallet. Press Wallet and press Create a new wallet if you have not had a wallet yet. Then create a code for your wallet, such a password using which you will unlock your wallet. After you have entered the password, you will be forwarded to a seed phrase, the same seed as on any other cryptocurrency wallet, which allows you to restore access to your asset if you reinstall the application to another phone, or in case, for example, you have lost your phone. Therefore, be sure to write down this phrase in a safe place and store it safely, first and secondly, so that you can always find this phrase. Well, if you think that taking a screenshot and leaving it on the very phone it's a good idea, it's not. So it will be better to write it down somewhere either on a piece of paper or on another device. Well, in general, pay attention to this because it's your access to all your assets and it's really important. We're writing down this phrase and now I'll take a picture of it because I won't use this phrase and this wallet. We'll delete it. You will see these words and, basically, of course, it's not safe to use such a wallet anymore. Press I have written down, and now we need to enter these words in order. Enter them, confirm, press confirm, done. Our wallet has been created, and here we have the address of our wallet on top. If we click on it, then our wallet will be copied, and we need to send SOL on this wallet. SOL is a Solana cryptocurrency, and we can purchase this cryptocurrency on many cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance. But recently, the Solana cryptocurrency is not always available on Binance. They state that the network is overloaded, perhaps because a very large number of users wants to transfer their Solana cryptocurrency to STEPN. Therefore, in addition to Binance, there are also other cryptocurrency exchanges such as Bybit, Huobi, and you can buy it from these exchanges there. At least lately, the withdrawal has been almost always available. So, in order to withdraw the Solana cryptocurrency, you need to have it on your account first. To buy Solana cryptocurrency, we can go to the trading section. There is a conversion option here and the classic one. If you are a complete beginner, the conversion section will suit you well. Thus, it's the easiest way to exchange cryptocurrencies, so you can put any cryptocurrency into your Binance account. Also, you can recharge your Binance wallet with your rubles or some other currency using peer-to-peer trading. For more details about peer-to-peer trading, watch our previous issues. So, we already have USDT on our account. We can choose the exchange to Solana. Here we choose SOL and then indicate the amount that we want to receive. For example, we want to get 10 SOL and then press preview. They will show us how much USDT we will be debited, and at that rate, we will get 10 SOL. At the moment, it's 1,354. Quotes are updated very quickly, so when you want to change, press Update. You will see an up-to-date quote, and you have 5 to 6 seconds to click Confirm. So, click Confirm if you need to buy Solana. Now, I don't need to buy it, so I won't do this further. When we buy, convert SOL cryptocurrency from our USDT, we go to the wallet. It's the fifth section. Among our assets, we need to choose SOL token. There is Solana, press withdraw, and here we will need to specify the address of the wallet to which we will withdraw our assets. And here you need to put the address that we copied from STEPN application, as I showed you a few minutes earlier. Then select the Solana network. Now, as you can see, it's stated that the withdrawal of SOL is suspended. This is what I've told you about. Well, Binance often suspends the withdrawal of SOL, so it makes sense to use other exchanges. Before buying Solana on Binance, see if the withdrawal of SOL from Binance is currently available. So, you don't have to convert your USDT to SOL first, but then you understand that you can't withdraw SOL now, and you will have to convert SOL to USDT again. When you have USDT on your account, you can simply send these to another exchange, for example, to Bybit. Also check by Bybit that the withdrawal from the Solana network is available. So you receive USDT, for example, on Bybit exchange or on some other cryptocurrency exchange. Change it to Solana cryptocurrency and from there withdraw it in the same way by inserting the wallet address from the STEPN application indicating that the withdrawal will be in the Solana network. Then press withdraw and the funds will be withdrawn within a short time. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel. We are explaining here the STEPN application so that you do not make mistakes.